Here are some important factors when sending mass emails. Sending mass emails is the way you send information to your audience, but there are some factors you need to consider whether you want to send out mass emails. You cannot just send them to anyone you want, regardless of how you obtain the email address. To be on the safe side, follow these tips. As for the people you send emails to, they must have opted in. When you use an autoresponder system such as aweber.com to create your list, be sure people have opted into your list before you send them any emails. You can ask people to let you add them, or you can direct them via marketing to your sign-up form. But you should never send emails to anyone who has not opted in. If you do not know the law about spamming, then you should learn everything you can about spam. Verticalresponse.com is an email autoresponder software program that has a great infographic about spam laws in various countries. The infographic can help you stay out of trouble. Here is the link in case you might be interested. As previously discussed, you can create attention-grabbing subject lines. Your subject lines matter a great deal, perhaps more than you think. Using the wrong words in your subject line might cause your audience to think the email is spam. It might just get your email completely ignored too, so there is a fine line to learn. Test out different subject lines for the best results. Some good advice when it comes to emails is to keep it short and to the point. Don't make your email message super long. No one is going to read it. Give a little background, get to the meat, and then make your offer and link them to the real content to give them more information and more to read. Use your email to get them back to your website or blog. Make sure to include your contact information. It is required in the United States that your emails include your business address. If you don't have a business address, consider getting one, because you really don't want your audience to have your personal home address. And avoid using too many graphics. Using too many graphics and images can slow down the ability for anyone to open or even receive the email. It might bounce for some recipients, and it might be seen as more spam-like by some email hosts who will block and filter email messages like this. Keep up to date and ensure your email is optimized for mobile. This is very important because most people look at the email today via the mobile devices. Not only should they be able to read the email, but they should also be able to take action via the email. And as always, test, test, test. Whatever you choose to do, testing is important. You want to test each thing you do before you even send the first email. That way you can ensure that you've left no stone unturned to send mass emails without a problem, and that gets results. Sending mass emails can be a very lucrative way to add and even increase a revenue stream. Just make sure that you're not breaking any spam laws or breaking the terms of service for your email provider. It is best to use an autoresponder email system for mass emails to help you avoid problems.